Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is in the hospital.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
Hi. I've been feeling unwell recently.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms?
I've been experiencing headaches, fatigue, and a persistent cough.
I see. Let's start by checking your temperature.
Sure. I hope it's nothing serious.
We'll do our best to figure it out. Please open your mouth wide.
Ah, the classic thermometer. Feeling a bit nervous?
It'll be quick. Your temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is normal.
That's a relief. What's the next step?
Next, let's measure your blood pressure. Please relax your arm.
Okay. I hope it's within the normal range.
No need to worry. Your blood pressure is within the normal range.
That's reassuring. What could be the potential issue?
I'll ask a few more questions to gather more information. Have you traveled recently?
No, just locally. Mostly between work and home.
Any recent contact with sick individuals?
Not that I'm aware of. Why do you ask?
I'm just gathering information to understand your situation better.
Fair enough. No known allergies, if that helps.
Good to know. Based on the information, I'll prescribe some medication.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your assistance.
You're welcome. Take care, and I hope you feel better soon.
Vocabulary: assist, feel, hear, describe, experience, start, check, hope, figure, next, measure, relax, ask, travel, work, home, recent, contact, sick, individuals. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.